In this recording, we're going to look at Cognos 10's new inbox feature. So you see in the upper left, middle of the screen, it says My Inbox. If I click on My Inbox, it takes me to a personalized area of Cognos where I can see tasks and notifications assigned to me. So if I click on this top one, I see it's month-end reporting. By clicking on it, I can see who the owner is, who potential other owners are, who the creator is, and who the stakeholders are. So if you're an owner of a task, only you can mark that task as complete. You see that I can no longer mark it as complete. I can only cancel the task because I requested it. I can also change the start date and end date of the task. I can put details of the tasks, and I can add comments. So if I click on comments, I could add a new comment that says, "Is this task done?" Whenever I add this, depending on how Kevin has his notifications set up, Kevin could potentially get an email that I've just added that comment. You see under my notifications, I'm asking to be notified for everything, including when comments are added. These tasks or notifications can be created manually from within this tool. They can also be created based on events within your data from Event Studio. In addition to tasks, we've also got the ability to add notifications. So with a notification, you're essentially sending an email to someone with some detail. So from adding recipients, you'll get your normal pop-up to add from your Active Directory or other namespace. You enter your users to, you can put in a subject line, you can type your message, and you can add links to the reports that you want that user to see. Under Advanced, you also have options for Acknowledgment Requests. This is similar to a read receipt, and you could say, notify me again if this email has not been acknowledged by a certain date. Because this integrates with your Active Directory, your emails will both come here as well as to your regular email address if you have all the checkbox selected. Built into this notification tool are some quick filters for what types of messages you want to see, what priority level you'd like to see, what the statuses are, and we can see some of the statuses available: not started, started, completed, and canceled. And you can also sort by date. For tasks that have been completed and no longer need to be left in this area, you can easily move those to your archive by choosing the Archive button with the arrow next to the folder. So that task has now been moved to my archive. If I click on the Archive tab, I can see all the tasks that have been added there. So while this is a very simple tool to use, it's very powerful as well because it brings a type of process control into Cognos. So now within Event Studio, not only can you interact with tools and make changes, you can also load tasks for other people to then own and claim. Those tasks we've shown could also be integrated into your email system. If you have any questions, please email sales@brightstarpartners.com.